Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a Canva design. So let's say you have this Canva design called test Canva design and you want to make a copy of this complete design so it can have multiple pages as well. The easiest way, if you are editing or if you are designing this Canva design right now, is to click on the file button and you're going to be able to click on make a copy here, and if you click on that, this will create a full copy of your Canva design, and it will also create a completely new Canva design. And Canva by default will add the name copy of and the name of the original design, in this case test Canva design. But you can also do this even if you are not in the Canva design interface. So if you open up Canva and go to projects on the left, you're gonna see all of your previous Canva designs here. And if you want to make a copy of a Canva design, all you have to do is click on the three dots next to the name of the design, and you can also click on make a copy here and make a copy of the original Canva design. So now these are the two ways how you can make a copy of a Canva design. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.